Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to my new video. Today we will start our discussion again on the next set of the questionnaires for SAP S/4HANA Sales certification. And guys, this is for private and public cloud both. Let's start our discussion again. Until the time, if you have not subscribed the video, subscribe it now to get the notification of the new video, to get the first hand information. Guys, share it with your friends so that they can also be benefited. First question is, which statements on the omni-channel converting billing document and external billing document request, this is the EBDRs, are connect? Choose the correct answers here. With the billing method, you can coverage or you can cover the initial and external billing data into the combined customer invoice. This is first correct answer, guys. Next is the external billing document, that is we call as a EBDRs, is a separate billing due list we can execute in VF06, guys. Okay, guys, you have to, some questions are tough, their answers are not very much familiar and needs to be remembered, so please remember them. Which of the following is a split criteria which call cause an automatic invoice split? In case this question, I believe I have covered it earlier. But remember, payment terms or terms of payment is invoice split criteria, guys. Remember it. Payment terms is a invoice split criteria, guys. Next question is, how many billing documents are created for all of the installment payments? First is, in an installment plan, only one billing document is created for all the installments payment. This is possible, guys. This is possible. Next is, in an installment plan, a billing document is created for each installment payment. No billing document is created in an installment plan. This is anyhow you can eliminate. This is not relevant, guys. Here, first option is correct. In an installment plan is nothing but when we are taking a loan, number one, we are converting an amount into the EMIs and paying into the equally monthly installment. That is called the installment plan. It can be for 6 months, 3 months, 12 months, or 18 months. So, in an installment plan, only billing document is created for all the installments payments. Okay. Which of the following which of the following statements are correct with regards to the milestone and periodic billing? Guys, remember, milestone billing is when we are achieving a target, that is called a milestone. For example, if we are having a project, then we are doing the project preparation, then business blueprint, then realization, post go live, and support. So these all the different milestones, these are the phases, we call them as a milestone. So this is called the milestone. Periodic billing is nothing but the subscription based billing. For example, we are taking the Netflix plan, monthly plan, and we are paying X amount. It can be 200, 300, 400 monthly. That is called as a periodic billing. So billing will happen on a certain interval. It can be after 30 days, it can be after 60 days, it can be every after 60 days, 90 days, like that. This is called the periodic billing. In this case, you can maintain the date proposal for the milestone billing. That is one correct answer. And fourth is, you can enter as many dates per billing plan you require. So these two are the correct answers. When do you use periodic billing? We use the periodic billing, guys, in case for the rental service agreement, when you want to bill the same amount each month, or it is based on the subscription, then we use the periodic billing, guys. Okay, I have explained previously. Is this mandatory to specify the end date in the order to execute a periodic billing? It's not mandatory, guys, to specify a end date in order to execute a periodic billing. It's not mandatory. It's optional, guys. Okay. Which statement on the down payments are correct? Here we are having four options. The down payment request in a sales is automatically posted to the financial accounting as down payment received. Third is you can change the amount of the down payment to be cleared during the partial invoicing. This is facilitated, guys. It is possible in SAP. Yeah. Remember these two correct answers. When you set up the reference and assignment number in customizing, what do you need to consider? Whether it is a header field and therefore a split criteria is there. Second is whether it is a field which need to be set up in the copy control. Okay, guys, please read the question twice so that you can correlate the answer. Once you are reading the question twice or thrice, you would be able to first understand the real ask of the question. Okay, when you set up the reference and assignment number in customizing, what do you need to consider? This is the question here, guys. Okay, which data in a billing document can you change after the billing document has been released to the financial accounting? Guys, the correct option here is after the billing document has once the billing document has created, it has released to the accounting, everything in the sales order is grayed out, guys. Everything in the sales order is grayed out. You can't modify the things. Okay. Last question of this set is credit to debit is one of the basic accounting principle in SAP S4 HANA. Guys, this is not a accounting principle. Credit and debit, it's a functionality. In case of the credit, we are giving the credit. In case of debit, we are debiting the account. In case of the customer account, we are giving the credit note. That means we are giving a credit of a certain amount to the customer. That amount can be used later point in time by the customer to buy a new product or to avail any other services. In case of the debit, for example, we are creating a sales invoice, right? In the sales invoice, two different accounting entries are generated. Once invoice gets posted to the accounting, customer account gets debited and revenue account gets credited. Why debited? Because the amount of the invoice that amount we need to collect from the customer, and that will be due based on the payment term. Whatever the payment term is there, customer need to pay. If the payment term is of the 30 days, customer has to pay within the 30 days of the invoice creation. The duration, payment term duration gets calculated as soon as the invoice is getting created, guys. Remember. Okay, guys, this is the last question of this set. I'll prepare the next set of the questionnaires and I'll bring it for your further discussion and for your knowledge. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you have not subscribe it now. Share it with your friends and click on the like button. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video.